Hello, I am Neke.
And I'm Patience.
And we are the Oni family.
We own and operate Cleaning Doctor, home and office cleaning services, Kildare.
For your peace of mind, we are a local and trusted family business who are fully trained and insured. You have absolutely no risk whatsoever with Cleaning Doctor, as every job comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Our unique range of services are tailored made to suit you. It is all about giving you back your precious free time. After all, your weekends weren't made for housework.
So right now, check out our website, view our videos, see us in action. Check out our regular, reliable, and trustworthy range of services. I know you will like what you see. Thank you for your time. We look forward to talking to you soon.